Whirlpool pool full of Dad's hot air. Well, I was 3 years old, splashing everywhere, and so began my love affair with water. On the riverbank with all my friends, a big old rope tied to land, and you're a big old wuss if you don't jump in the water. Yeah, when that summer sun starts to beat down and you don't know what to do, grab your swimming trunks, ice up that old igloo, and drive until the map turns blue. Daytona Beach on spring break, 18 girls up on stage, white t-shirts about to be sprayed with water. Oh, let her go, boys. Stay right there when the daylight's gone. Play truth or dare, and it won't take long for you and her. I got nothing on but water. All you really need this time of year is a pair of shades, an ice cold beer, and a place to sit somewhere near water. Filled up 2 shopping carts late last night. One was full of fishing gear, the other Miller Lite. The checkout lady laughed and said, "You think you've got enough?" And I said, "Yeah, you're probably right," and filled another 2 carts up. Gonna catch all the fish, gonna drink all the beer, gonna anchor down, we're staying here. Might take all day, might take all year, till we catch all the fish, till we drink all the beer. So I picked up the boys Jimmy's cell phone rang. His old lady asked him how long we'd be on the lake, and I said, you tell her we'll stand here however long it takes. Gonna catch all the fish, gonna drink all the beer. Better warn her now, better make it clear. Might take all day, might take all year, till we catch all the fish, till we drink all the beer. Just as long as there's a can left in that cooler, just as long as there's a bass left in that lake. That just means that we still got some work to do here. Just as long as there's still gas left in them tanks. Come on! There's a can left in that cooler, as long as there's a bass left in that lake. That just means that we've still got some work to do here. As long as there's still gas left in them tanks. Where we caught all the fish, and we drank all the beer, and we ran out of gas. Now we're stuck out here, a bunch of empty cans, worthless fishing gear, 'cause we drank all the fish, caught all the beer. Well, I mean, we caught all the fish and drank all the beer.